First, we'll grab the latch from the top side and then pull it downwards. Just like that. Similar latch on the other side, grab the top part and then pull it down. Now you notice the hood is losing its grip. Right where the logo is, if we lift up the hood a little bit, notice there is a lever right there. Press and hold that lever towards the right side and then lift up the hood. This is that lever that I was talking about. Press it towards the right side and then lift up the hood. While holding the hood, we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, we'll use a clip remover tool and take out this clip right there. We'll punch in the top portion of the clip and then pull it out just like that. There you notice the top portion of the clip is taken out. We also need to pull out the bottom portion and then at the end put both pieces together. There it is, we got the first clip taken out. This is where we took out the first clip and here's the second clip that we're supposed to take out. Once again, we'll punch in the tool and take out the top part. Then take out the bottom part of the clip. Once both pieces are out, just put them together at the end. We will keep on going and taking out all these clips one by one. The process involves taking out the top clip first and then taking out the bottom portion. Also putting them together at the end so that you do not lose them. Notice in my case I'm missing one clip right here, but in your case make sure you take it out and then we'll go ahead and take out another clip which is right there. In this case I was able to pull out this clip together. Now the final clip is right there that we are supposed to take out. There it is. Once all the clips are taken out, now you would notice the grill is losing its grip. From the top part it is loose, just the bottom part is holding on to it. We'll need to gently pull out the grill from the bottom portion. I was able to pull it out from one side, now I will pull it out from the other side. Just like that, you notice we pulled out both sides of the grill. Now we'll jump on taking out the turn signal plugs from both sides because that is holding on to the grill itself. Notice behind there's that plug right there. What we'll have to do is grab the plug, turn it clockwise and then pull it outwards. There's the plug along with the bulb taken out. Now to speed up the process, I will not be showing you the other side. You can replicate the same process to pull out the turn signal from the other side. Once both sides turn signal plugs are taken out, you would notice we have taken out the complete grill just like that. Once the grill is taken out, now we would use a Torx bit just like that. It is a Torx 15 bit and we will use it to take out one screw from here, the other screw from there, and then couple screws from the surrounding needs to be taken out. There we got the first screw taken out. Second screw also out. While taking out the third screw, just make sure the headlight is not falling apart. Third screw also out. We'll hold on to the headlight and then take out that final screw right there. Again, just make sure you're holding on to the headlight so that it does not fall. In my case, the screw did fall, but I was able to pick it up and that is that fourth screw right there. Now what we'll do is we'll pull out the headlight just like that and right there is our plug. Notice this color plug has that red tab right there. We need to slide that tab upwards. Once you notice the tab has gone a little bit upwards, we'll press the other tab underneath that red color tab and then pull the plug outwards. Once the plug is taken out, right there is our bulb. We'll grab the bulb and turn it counterclockwise and then pull it outwards. With a little wiggle there, we were able to pull out the bulb. Now in my case, this is already an LED bulb, but in your case, if you have a regular bulb, just make sure to use a piece of cloth to take out the bulb and then install it back. Now suppose you have a new bulb and you want to install it back, just make sure to punch it back inside. Make sure it's completely in. Once completely in, only then we'll turn it clockwise. And there we got the bulb in place. Now we'll go ahead and put the plug back. Make sure the tap side of the plug is towards the tap side of the bulb right there. We go ahead and punch in the plug and making sure it is all the way down. Then we make sure that the red color tab is all the way down as well. Once that red color tab is slided down, notice the plug is not coming out anymore. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the headlight back where we took it out from. Make sure the headlight is in place just like that. Once the headlight is in place, only then we'll go ahead and punch in the first screw right there. At the moment, we will not be tightening the screw, just installing it first. We'll do the same for the rest of the screws. We'll install them first and at the very end, we'll tighten all of them all together. Once all the screws are in place, only then we will go ahead and tighten them one by one. First one is tight. Second one also tight. Third also tight as well. And we got the fourth one tight as well, so we are all good. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the turn signal back. Make sure the turn signal is completely in. Only then we will turn it counterclockwise to install it firm and strong. Turn signal is in. Similar way, install the other side turn signal. Now we'll go ahead and install the grill back. Notice behind the grill there are some brackets. If I am to show you, there's that one bracket right there. Other bracket right besides. Followed by other brackets all the way till the very end. So what we have to do is, we are supposed to install these metal brackets into these spots right there. You would notice there's one spot right there, and then there's one more spot right here, followed by remaining spots all the way till the very end. So we'll go ahead and punch in those brackets, making sure they're completely in from all over. Once the brackets are in place, then we will give them a push until they are completely installed. There it is, we got half portion of the grill completely in. And just like that, we got the other half portion of the grill also completely installed. Once all the brackets from underneath are completely in their place, only then we will go ahead and punch in the clips from top one by one. First clip is in. Second clip in place. Third clip is also in. Fourth clip in as well. And there we got the final clip in place. Now suppose you want to close the hood back, just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. We lower the hood all the way down. Then we grab the latch and make sure these two tabs are going into these two positions. So we'll just punch it inside like this and then press it all the way up. There it is. Similar on the other side. Make sure these two tabs are going into these two positions. We again go ahead and punch them inside and then press it all the way up. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.